Okay, Coroneos 100 integrals number 69. So this question here, you need to integrate sine to the power 4x times by cosine to the power 3x. So we've got a set of even and odd function for both sine and cos here. All right, so the way to do this one is using the reverse channel. So whenever you see you've got a power 4 and a power 3, and you always factorize the power the 3 out. Okay, so you can use one of the sine or cos function here to be the derivative of the other function. So the first step you do is you change that into cos square x times by cos x. Now this cosine x is just going to treat this one as the f dash x later. Okay, so next step here is we need to change this one back into the sine using the Pythagorean identity. So that gives you sine to the power 4x, 1 minus sine square x, multiplied by cos x dx. Now this again, this cos x just serves the purpose of the derivative, okay? And this is just using the reverse chain rule. Now we need to expand the brackets. So we've got sine to the power 4x minus sine to the power 6x and times by cosine x dx. Okay, so now as you can see, each time that you've got, if you expand this bracket here, every time you have a cosine x that's attached to the front as the purpose of the derivative. So I'm just write down that instead of power 4 in the middle, put a power 4 outside by putting a bracket. It's really clear that the derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. So that's just using the reverse channel. Okay, so now this question becomes pretty easy. So as you apply the reverse channel, the derivative is already there in the front. You just plus the power by 1 and find the reciprocal of that power here. All right, same thing happened to the second part, and that's to the power 7 and plus c at the end. That's how you do this question. So next time if you see you've got sine x and cos x, that's to the power of m and that's to the power of n. You always take out if one of those terms is equal to an odd number here. So if m or n is equal to odd number, then this is the method you would like to do. You factorize this one to be an even power and an odd power, which is power of 1 here. Okay, and that power of 1 is going to serve as the derivative. Okay, thanks for watching.